Dreaming of a new hairstyle to wear in 2023? Today's video will feature 6 trendy hairstyles that you can wear this year. So if you have been looking for the right hairstyle to try, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and here we see this beautiful mullet style, and then it's being hands with the platinum and black contrasting hair color trend. Absolutely love that idea. And then we move on to a pixie undercut style. Now this of course has been a very popular hairstyle over the last couple of years, and it is only going to grow in popularity as we head into 2023. Beautiful. The stylist added some face framing bangs. Gorgeous pixie undercut. Next up, we are going to see the hair transformation with this very chic and stylish shaggy bob, as well as some copper colored hair. Absolutely stunning. This is a very popular hair trend for the moment. And then it's a great look that would work on women of all ages. So next up we see someone with curly hair. And she decided to get a beautiful shaggy bob as well. And she's rocking her natural curly texture. If you guys are looking for more curly hair inspiration, I do have a 2023 curly haircut video, so definitely check that out if you have curly hair and you are looking for more ways that you can kind of shake things up and try something different with your strands. Next up, we see this beautiful blonde lob haircut complete with curtain style bangs. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.